Yo YouTube, what is going on? So you found this video because you're searching on the internet or just searching YouTube for a method on how to get all of the skins and operator skins and blueprints unlocked in COD Mobile or any of the COD games, guys. So I'm going to show you today how to get all skins in Call of Duty, no matter which version of the game you play. This is going to get you every single operator skin for free. This is also going to get you the blueprints as well. So this is going to save you a ton of money. You can even get COD points as well if you wish. So this is super simple using a redeem code, guys. So this is completely safe. And I'm going to show you where to go now. So you've got to open up the internet on your mobile phone. You can see I'm using an iPhone. Doesn't matter if you're on Android, just make sure you have an internet connection, and you've got to go to the following website, guys: www.robotcoupons.com. So make sure you spell it correctly, guys. Robot Coupons. Very important you do go to the correct website. Now, when you reach this page, you need to look for the COD points page. Now, it is under COD points, so you've just got to search for COD points, guys. But there are multiple different redeem codes. So that's just how you find this page here, guys. So if you scroll down, you can obviously get free COD points, you can get Battle Pass, but this is the one we're interested in. Unlock all operator skins and blueprints in any of the COD games. So you can literally unlock everything for free. So click on show code. Now, these codes are limited. If I just zoom in there, you can see these codes are limited in number. So this prevents people from stealing all of the codes. Obviously, COD points are super expensive, but yeah, it still remains the same process. So you need to unlock your personal COD redeem code. Now, to do that, guys, you've got to tap on this button. Now, I don't want to waste any of these codes for a video, so I'm going to cancel this. But basically, guys, when that reaches the end, you're going to see a new screen, and it will tell you exactly how to go ahead and unlock your all skins code. So you will need to verify you're a real person and complete a couple of these like really easy free tasks that can be like downloading mobile games and playing them. Just follow the instructions, and once you've done that and made sure you've fully completed everything, your code will be unlocked and you can redeem it, and that's going to unlock all operator skins and blueprints in COD Mobile, Modern Warfare 3, Warzone, basically all of the COD games, guys. This is going to unlock everything. So head on over to Robot Coupons, search for the COD points page, guys, and select your unlock all operator skins and blueprints. So enjoy, guys. Smash that like button if you found this video helpful. Let's see if we can get 100 likes on this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.